Hey, it's me, Crystal again. And as an expert non-expert, DIY Blinds have asked me to show you how quick and easy it is to set up your Somfy remote to group your curtains and blinds. Grouping them on a single channel on your remote is easy and lets you control them all together with one click. Fun fact time, a group of skaters is known as a troop of skaters. Okay, now remember, these are the last steps you have to follow after you've added each one of your motors to your Somfy remote. So let's skate through this with flying colors. If you've already set up your Somfy remote, you've probably used channel 1 for curtains and channel 2 for blinds. So we'll use channel 3 for grouping, but you decide what works best for you. First, select the channel of the curtain or blind you want to group. Now, grab a paper clip or pin and press and hold down the program button on the back of your remote, like this, until your curtain or blind starts to respond. Go to your chosen channel for grouping on your remote. Grab a paper clip or pin and press lightly down on the button on the back of your remote. Your curtain or blind will respond, which will confirm it's been set. Just follow the previous steps if you want to group more curtains or blinds. So keep on rolling. Your curtains and blinds should now be grouped on your remote control, but if for some reason they aren't, please contact DIY Blinds on 1300 918 390.